Dear kids, today we will talk about data and manipulations of data in MS Excel included in MS Office 2021. Only 3 kinds of data can be entered into MS Excel sheet: numbers, text, and formulae. Data in the numbers category can be any kind of number. Examples of the number data type are whole numbers, decimals, dates, phone numbers, percentages, etc. The number data is right-aligned by default. Text data includes characters such as alphabetical, numerical, and special symbols. Examples of text data type are words, sentences, and addresses. Text data is left-aligned by default. The primary difference between number data and text data is that you can use calculations on number data but not on text data. You can easily identify whether the data is text or numerical by seeing the alignment. Numerical data is right aligned and text data is left aligned. Formula data type is used for doing calculations on numbers. Formula data type is right aligned by default. For example, equals sum open bracket h3, I3, j3, k3 close brackets adds values in cells h3, I3, j3 and k3. To understand the details of number, text, and formula data types, please watch other videos in MS Excel series. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.